Hi, it's Dennis and Kulika here. And today we're at Pike Lake. There's Cassie, there's the pup. Yeah, we're at Pike Lake again. This is the third time we've been here this year. Last time we were here was in August, so it's been 3 months since we've been here. But the weather's so beautiful still. We had to come out again. Like we've been doing these hikes lately. As you've seen, went to the lake hike, picnic at the lake, and the weather's just incredible here in November. So it's almost the middle of November, and it's still beautiful. So we're going to take advantage of that weather today. Yeah, this is Pike Lake. It's 35 kilometers from Saskatoon, or about 20 miles. So it's not very far, and you're at a little lake here. It's not a big lake. It's a cute little lake. And we rented a canoe down there. If you watch that video with the canoeing with the German Shepherd. I'll put a link to that video when we were canoeing. A lot of fun. There's even some people up there picnicking, I see. It's a beautiful November day. I've been saying that like a broken record. For this part of Canada, at this time of year in November, it's usually a lot colder. A lot colder. There's a big gang over there heading out. What a noisy gang here at Pike Lake. Take a little walk here to that viewing platform. And if you watched that video when we were canoeing, we pulled right in here. And then Kulika got out. I stayed in the canoe.
You're right here.
Yeah, we pulled in right here. And Kulika got out, and Cassie, and stretched their legs. I guarded the canoe here. Let's go on that platform now and check it out. There's Cassie. This is the view from the platform. Hear an airplane coming. It says here, a river becomes a lake. Used to be part of the river, then it got cut off from it, but it still gets fed water. But it's just not part of the main river, so it's a lake now. It's not part of the river. So we're going to leave this viewing area now. So now we're heading to that nature trail. We're going to do a hike there. So we'll see you at the trailhead. Here's the trailhead. Gift of Green Nature Trail. It's not a huge trail. It's a nice relaxing one. Yeah, we did this trail about 3 months ago in August. And you would have seen all the leaves in that video. Leaves have been long gone. Got to keep Cassie on leash for now. Yeah, beautiful day. I can't say it enough. It's 14 degrees Celsius. 58 Fahrenheit.
High bush cranberries.
Yeah. There'll be a boardwalk coming up here pretty soon. It's a little muddy here too, but not too bad. Oh, the boardwalk's wet here. nice and wet here.
This boardwalk is going to cave in soon.
Yeah.
Not in very good shape. I can just imagine these frogs ribbiting here in spring.
Oh yeah. What was that?
Probably bird.
I don't think that was a bird.
Maybe chipmunk. Oh,
It
squirrel.
is. It's a squirrel.
Mickey. It's a squirrel, yeah.
Cassie wants to go squirrel hunting. Yeah, lots of dogs get excited about those squirrels. Even Odin, the German Shepherd. I've seen a lot of those videos of Odin chasing squirrels up trees. Yeah, they get excited when they see those little critters running. Another little boardwalk here. It doesn't look marshy here. Yeah, it looks totally different in the fall like this. If you watched our summer hike, see all the green leaves. But in the spring we came, so it looked like this in the spring too. We came in the spring, it was so warm that day, I remember. It's another warm day. When we get to the top here, we'll see if there's any more people down there. You can see long distance up here. Then we'll let Cassie free. It's called sand dune here. Some sandy, grassy areas. So we're going to continue on this way. No bikes. Totally common here because we're in some kind of pocket. But it's not very windy today anyways. It's a lovely day, temperature wise and wind. Cassie's got a bit of freedom now. We saw one other person in this area. So we'll put her on leash when we get up to that point. Cassie's really friendly though, but some people are scared of dogs. They see a big dog like this and they get worried. She's really good. We socialize her well. She's good with people. And other dogs too. I brought my air horn today. And Kulika has the bear spray in her bag. Pepper spray. When we were heading here to Pike Lake today, we saw a coyote right on the side of the road by the highway, and he looked really mangy, didn't he, Kulika?
Yeah, it wasn't even moving. It was just standing and staring at the road.
Yeah, it was just... It didn't look very good, like maybe he had rabies or something, who knows, like strange behavior, like usually they're...
Usually they're trotting, or this one was just standing and looking.
Or around sunset, but he was just by the highway, by the road. So it's kind of weird. Plus there's been a few roaming around in Saskatoon. There was one last weekend I heard hanging out by the university, approaching people and people walking their dogs, and they said the behavior was really strange for a coyote. Like right in the city. So the police came and they shot him. That's what I heard. Because they were worried about the public safety. They didn't want to destroy the animal, but they felt it was a danger to the public. I read an article the other day about cougars. They said there's a lot of cougars around in Saskatchewan. Probably everywhere, but the story was in the Saskatchewan News. And it said to be cautious, there seems to be a lot of cougars. They haven't counted them, you know. They don't know how many there are, but they said that seems to be more than average. And maybe some of them are American cougars, coming from the States, from you guys. You people watching it from the States. Because they put monitoring tags on them sometimes. And they've tracked them like 1,000 miles away from where they started, like maybe South Dakota or Wyoming or those areas, and then they're up in Saskatchewan. So these cougars can really travel. There's no borders for cougars. So we got that pepper spray and air horn, and you never know what you'll run into. It's good to be prepared. And maybe it wouldn't work, but I'd rather have something than nothing. Yeah, I heard there's a lot of cougars roaming around Cypress Hills area. We got some videos of that area too. Maybe I'll put a link below. We did some hiking out in the Cypress Hills area. That's in southern Saskatchewan, southwestern corner. Really beautiful there. A lot of hiking trails, and it's like a higher elevation. Like it's really unique there. But they said there's a lot of cougar sightings out there. We didn't make it to Cypress Hills this year. We wanted to go, but we went to Europe and then we came back. It was so cold here. So eventually we'll be back there. There's a lot of beautiful hiking areas in Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan's a huge province. Like in the southern part, it's kind of flat, or very flat. But once you go a little north, there's forest areas, lakes. Like there's tons of lakes, thousands and thousands of lakes. And there's hiking areas. Like I don't think I could explore all Saskatchewan in my lifetime. It's so huge. We'll try, but sometimes you've got to travel a lot farther, you know. You got to spend a few days. You don't want to drive a few hundred miles just for a weekend. You want to go longer. But there's even nice places around Saskatoon here, like here, Pike Lake area. This is really nice. I'm enjoying this hike. Look at this. Greasy. She's trying to get that stick out of that mud. I'm drinking some of that water. Oh no. We'll have to do a bath yet. Bath time.
Might have to do doggy wash tonight.
You're getting all muddy there. Get out of there. Get going. Go. Go. Good dog. You went in there and got some muddy paws. She'll have to walk home.
Oh, there is that turkey tail mushroom here again.
Oh, another one. Yeah.
Like the one that we saw on that tree bear trail.
Yeah.
In the north.
Yeah.
It's very healthy.
We're coming back to those stairs that this looped all around. It's a loop. And we came around here. And now we're back to here. Well, we're going to go up here to the top. Then we're going to take a left and check out that sandy area. You smell our tracks there, Cassie? That's where we started on that little loop when we came down those stairs. We're not going to take the stairs. We're going to go this way and take a look. Be unconventional, you know. Some rolling hills here. Yeah, sunny hills. What's that? A log? I thought you were going to pick that whole thing up and whip it in the valley.
Get the stick. Get the stick.
He's working on that.
Get the stick. Bring it here. Good girl. Good Bob. Good Bob.
Well, we're going to head back down from this trail now. The sun is almost set. Let's head back down. It's so quiet in here. I don't know why I'm whispering for. Who will I disturb? We're back at that marsh area. Wet boardwalk. This one's wet for sure. Hello there. We gotta put Cassie on leash.
Sit by my side. Oh, good pup. Good dog.
Good dog.
Good girl.
Yes. You had a lot of freedom here. You had a nice time, Cassie. We're just about at the end of the trail. We really had a nice time on this trail today. We hope you enjoyed watching too. Coming to the end of this trail here at Pike Lake. So we're all done with the trail here. Kulika even had a chance to feed some little chickadees. That was really nice.
So cute.
We really enjoyed this hike today, Pike Lake. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like videos like this.